Real quick update this morning. It is 1 degree with a negative 14 degree wind chill. The pond is frozen. Probably solid on the edges, the way it was last night. We're heading to go get my mother. Her electricity went out, and we live probably about 10 minutes from her. Heading to get her. And my sister said that she was just going to go on into work instead of working remotely. The roads don't seem that bad, so we'll see on the main roads. Hi guys, it's Carrie with Rockin' G Farm. Well, we made it through the evening, and it is now 1 degree on the farm with a negative 14 wind chill. And I'm just hiding in the truck before I go do chores. It is so cold. From here I can see my light Brahmas, and I can see 3 of them moving. I don't see a 4th, so I'm gonna have to go over there. And I'm also going to have to carry their water in and out from the house along with Bucky's water, because I don't have a way to heat their water. So I have Bucky's in the house because it froze yesterday, and I've got a timer set to come out every hour to 2 hours and give the chickens and Bucky some fresh water, because the other chickens, yeah, the wind chill is just hideous, guys. Because the other chickens have heated water. So bringing y'all out here. I don't know if my phone is going to like this cold weather. It might just say too cold, because I don't like it either. But I'm just going to give Bucky some water. We saw him. He was back here. Hi, Buck. You want some water? As you can see, Bucky's in his little house. Let's get back in here. Oh, that's frozen. There, that was frozen. Let's see if I can get this unfrozen here. That one. Crap. Here, let's get back Bucky some water. Head back, get some water. There he goes. He's drinking it in there. There you can see him. Bucky, you want some water? What's up, Bucks? Yeah. Hey, Bucky. Yeah, let's give you some love. Give him some love in there, Mr. Buck. Oh, yeah. And that's on top of your house, too. Shoo! Dusty. Here, Bucky, you want some water? Can't leave it out here. It's gonna, yeah, come on. There he goes. Come on, Bucky. My Bucky's water in my pocket. Walk around. I'm afraid this white leghorn probably did not make it. She didn't seem like she wanted to come out from the run yesterday. Oh, I don't see her. Okay, check inside the chicken coop. See how we're looking in here. Oh, we got some in there. Their water is frozen. Great. Oh, it's not frozen on that side. So let me find something to bust that with. There we go. There you go. And now my fingers are just gonna be covered, but it's not, but it's busted up right there. So I busted that water so they could do it, and I can understand. It's right here by this breeze. And hello, it's 1 degree. Of course it's gonna be done, but they've still got feed. Everything's there. Their water is now busted up. That's so much easier than what I did last year. I had to come out with buckets and buckets of hot water. Let's check in there. Oh yeah, they're all there. 1, 2, 3. White leghorns. Let's see see 3 white leghorns. Right now I just see 3 white leghorns. 4. Okay, all of our white leghorns are accounted for. Let's look at the light Brahmas. Like I said, I've been seeing 3 up and walking. And that might be. Oh, that's the water. Oh my goodness, this wind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they look good. The sun's coming in through right here, so that's going to heat them up a little bit. Actually, down here by this hay, where we put these hay bales, that wind is like almost non-existent. Awesome. I am going to have to bring them some hot water out because their little can of water right there, I'm sure, is out. Okay. That's good. Okay, so here we are. Sun's coming up. Tractor and the truck are plugged in, and so far everybody looks good. I'm gonna head on in and set my timer again to come out and get water for Bucky and these chickens. Okay guys, it's 2.5 hours later, and I am heading back out to give Bucky and the light Brahmas some water. So I've got hot water in this to defrost the light Brahmas water, and I've got Bucky's water in my pocket like before, and I've brought my basket for my chicken eggs. It looks really beautiful out here, but okay, right here it's fine. You're okay. You're fine. Watch my hair when I step around the corner of the house. It's blowing. So right here at the corner of the house, when you pass it, it's like walking into a deep Arctic fridge. It's very cold. So actually, I don't want to walk this way because I'm walking into the coldness, but I'm going to go ahead and do this. It's just easier to come out the back door, the front door. It's icy up here, so I'm going to go slow, and like last year I slipped and fell, so hopefully I won't slip and fall this time. Hunter's getting the protein, what are those, pellets out for the goats, the cows. He is getting those out for the cows. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go and put this water on the light Brahma's water to defrost it, and then we'll head back up to Bucky's and then to the main chicken coop. This wind, it's Arctic. Arkansas's not used to this kind of weather, guys. We don't even, they don't even sell the type of clothing we need for Arctic weather here. So our clothing is not suitable for this. So when you're out in this mess, it's like, oh, this top is frozen. Crap. Yeah, it's just all frozen. Just like Bucky's store was frozen, this store's frozen shut too. That was my intention, to keep that water from dropping in there. So it got on this instead of hopefully on them. But now I can't get this open. Let me put y'all down, try to do my job. I've got the water in there for the light Brahmas, and my fingers are already frozen. Like I said, we just are not equipped for this type of weather here in Arkansas. We don't sell this type of outdoor gear. So I'm gonna go over here. Bucky's out of his little hutch, so let me put up here some water for a little bit for him, and I'll put y'all up here so you can see some water. I'll leave it out here for a little bit. I'm frozen and oh, here you go. You want that? I think you saw me putting it in. You knew what it was. I don't want to get you wet, buddy. Yeah, look, so we don't get you wet. Here we go. Hey, Bucky. Hunter is out there feeding some protein tablets to the cows. And that is our maintenance for right now. Just to show you over here, the light Brahmas are up there drinking now, and I moved their feed bowl from underneath the. Okay, Bucky's walked away from his waterer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in my pocket, take it back inside and let it warm back up. And we will come back out in another 2 hours and water the chickens and Bucky one more time. Hunter is actually down at the pond. He's breaking up the pond ice because the pond is frozen over a little bit. So he is down at the pond. Let's see if we can see him from here. Oh, he's behind a tree. Oh, looks like it might a little bit. I don't know. Never been this cold before. Ever. Even last year when we had that like 2.5 foot of ice and snow, it wasn't this cold. It got down to a -6 or a -10 for maybe half of a day, but it didn't stay 1 degree with a negative wind chill of 14 to a negative wind chill of 25 this long. And we're still having a couple more days of this. The wind chill and the wind and the frigid air. So we're learning how to live in a cold climate because we're not used to this. We're used to heat. I'm gonna check and make sure that the water is still. Yep, the water is. Oh, I need to get some feed for these chickens. Come here, babies. Okay, we're empty. They evidently were hungry today. Ate it all real fast. guys. There we go. And there we go, guys. I'm gonna sign off for the day. And guys, thanks for joining me in this Arctic blast in Arkansas that we're never really used to. And I hope that we don't have ever again. Bucky looks like he's done drinking. And I'll grab the bucket and we'll start alternating these 2 buckets out so it'll be easier to water the chickens in the chicken tractor. Thanks guys for joining me, and make what you have beautiful.